How do you raise soil pH levels? The correct choice is add lime. When should you fertilize lawns? And the answer is early spring. Why are aphids harmful to roses? Here is the answer. Suck sap. How do you propagate succulents? Time's up! It's leaf cuttings! What is the purpose of deadheading? The answer is promote blooms. Where is the best spot for mint? The answer is in a pot. Why is vermiculite used in soil? Time's up! It's hold water! How do you stop spider mites? The answer is high humidity. What defines an heirloom plant? The answer is open-pollinated. Why do you use a hoop house? Time's up. It's extend season. When should you prune summer bulbs? The answer is after foliage. How do you aerate a garden lawn? The answer is core removal. Why do bean flowers drop off? The answer is high heat. Where do you find beneficial fungi? Did you guess it? The answer is healthy soil. How do you trap white flies? The correct choice is sticky traps. Why are magnesium salts used? Here is the answer. Green leaves. When do you plant spring bulbs? The correct choice is late autumn. How do you fix clay soil? Here is the answer. Add compost. Why is companion planting used? The answer is deter pests. What is a hydrogel in gardening? Did you guess it? The answer is water polymer. When should you harvest potatoes? Here is the answer. Vines die back. How do you use neem oil safely? Here is the answer. Spray at dusk. How do you propagate via cuttings? Answer. Use nodes. How do you use a soil probe? Here is the answer. Check moisture. Why do you use floating row covers? Answer. Frost defense. When do you prune stone fruit? Time's up. It's late winter. How do you identify thrip damage? The answer is silver streaks. Why is sulfur added to soil? The answer is lower pH. What is a biennial plant cycle? Here is the answer. 2 years. Where do you place a rain barrel? The answer is under downspout. What is the effect of soil tilth? The answer is easy digging. When do you apply dormant oil? The answer is late winter. How do you prevent bolting? Did you guess it? The answer is keep cool. When do you harvest lavender? The answer was buds open. How do you stop cabbage worms? The correct choice is BT spray. What is the benefit of mycorrhizae? The answer is better roots. When is the best time for grafting? Did you guess it? The answer is early spring. How do you treat iron deficiency? Did you guess it? The answer is add chelates. What is a rhizosphere in soil? Time's up. It's root zone. Why is boron needed for fruit? The correct choice is pollen growth. What is the process of scarification? The answer is scratch seeds. What is a parthenocarpic plant? Time's up. It's seedless fruit. Why is tillage depth important? The answer is root growth. What is the role of cytokinins? Answer, cell division. What is the CN ratio in compost? The correct choice is carbon-nitrogen. How is ET rate calculated? Time's up. It's check weather. Why is chelation used for iron? The answer is stay soluble. Why is silica used for stems? The answer is stronger walls. What is an adventitious root? The answer is stem root. Why is osmotic pressure used? The answer was water uptake. That's it for today. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily trivia. See you next time.